Yeah, zoom in so you can see
Look at that.
Yeah.
He loves it.
This is Kingston Camarillo eating cat food.
It smells like shit.
Kingston.
Look at
Now we gotta make it action. Bring Cleopatra over here and see if she defends her food.
Look at her.
I can't believe it. He's eating it. Oh shoot! Look at this! Look at this video.
She's gonna meow pretty soon.
Maybe he tastes her.
Maybe Kingston's a boy.
Oh yeah.
Corey, he's full on hungry.
Maybe you're not feeding him enough.
He only gets a mouse every 3 days. He's starving. This is like nachos. Maybe that's like nachos for him.
You can digest it.
Emily said it's like nachos.
This is his appetizers right there. Before he gets a mouse.
Hey.
Dude, you gotta have him eating that and then cut to him swallowing a mouse.
Get in close. Here, Corey, you do it. I'm afraid.
He's gonna poop
Get in
again.
close. Hold my phone. Hold my phone. You got on
Look
gloves.
at her. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Baby.
Here, you come over here.
Like, oh my God, what's all this commotion with my food? Oh my God, Cleopatra, go get your bowl.
Dude, you
And
gotta-
here's our cat. Really jealous. Like, what are you doing to my food?
Go get it, Mama. Go get it.
Oh, you done? No? You're still hungry.
Corey, you better give him some food.
He just ate a mouse. He just ate a rat like 2 days ago.
Well, hey, that means today he's supposed to be a mouse.
He's
What
just-
do you call him?
he's
Those-
just-
Those are gumdrops for him, Evan.
He's just munching on some cat food. That's how big he is. He's a Malaysian or whatever water monitor.
Mongolian.
Dude, you gotta
He's
try
he's
salad
he's,
for
Fili-
life.
he's Filipino. That's what he is. He's a Filipino water monitor.
Lenny.
He likes
Hey,
it.
what's
Here.
that chair?